Question number 5. A line passes through 3, 4 and sum of the intercepts on the axis is 14. A line passes through the point 3, 4 and sum of the intercepts are, let us say, A and B. Sum of the intercepts given is 14. Equation of line you need to find. Then if B is 14 minus A, equation of line is x upon A plus y upon B is equal to 1. That we know. Put the value of B here. So x upon A plus y upon B is 14 minus A is equal to 1. Now line passes through 3, 4. Line passes through point 3, 4. So it is 3 upon A plus 4 upon 14 minus A is equal to 1. Then on solving this you will get the value of A, and if you put A here you will get B. That is your required equation. Put A and B here. Just simplify it. This will be 42 minus 3A is equal to plus 4A is equal to, LCM will be A into 14 minus A. So we got it A square minus 17A, minus, this is A, this is 14, 13A minus plus 42 is equal to 0. A square minus 13A plus 42 is equal to 0. What will be the factors here? Seven and 6. So we got it. A square minus 7A minus 6A plus 42 is equal to 0. So A minus 7, A minus 6 is equal to 0. So A is, once it is 7 and A is 6. If A is 7, then from equation 1 B will be 7, and if A is 6, B will be 8. Then we will have two equations here. X upon 7 plus y upon 7 is equal to 1, and second equation will be x upon 6 plus y upon 8 is equal to 1. Just take the LCM and write in general form of the equation, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Right. Next is we have find the equation of line which passes through 7, 9 and which is such that portion of that line between the axes is divided by this particular point in the ratio 3:1. What he says, just see. Line passes through 7, 9. Let us say this is the point 7, 9. Line is AB, this point is, let us say, P, and this portion AB between the axes, is divided by this P point in the ratio 3:1. So in the ratio 3:1, right? Now just by section formula you will get the value of A and B and use intercept form to find the equation. But a little mistake is there, just see. He has given the ratio is 3:1. 3:1. This is not 3:1. Actually line begins with x-axis, that is AB is the line. So this ratio we have taken is 1:3. And he has given 3:1. So this is a general mistake, that's why I am telling you. So you always have to take it what, that is start ratio from here. Whatever ratio is given, take it 3 ratio. Now this is 3 ratio. Just keep it in mind, right? Now using section formula, find A and B. That is, according to P point, 7 is equal to, according to P point, 7 is equal to 1 into A plus 3 into 0 divided by 1 plus 3, and 9 is equal to 1 into 0 plus 3 into B divided by 1 plus 3. So we got here A is equal to 28, and we got here B is equal to 3B is equal to 36, B is equal to 12. So required equation is x upon A plus y upon B is equal to 1. Just take LCM and simplify. Note it down.